Well, on this sunny Friday afternoon, it was certainly a spectacular day to be out and about, and as Stephen Cohen tells us, attention is being made to maintain the popular C&O Canal, which runs from Georgetown to western Maryland.
Renovations of a nearly 1 mile stretch of the C&O Canal towpath.
For serious cyclists and hikers, it doesn't get any better than this.
I am shocked at the quality of this trail, especially up here with this paved portion. I've been on, like I say, now close to 100 miles on the C&O towpath, and I've never seen anything as smooth as this.
Another Northern Virginian on his two-wheeler concurs.
And it was lovely all the way up to Williamsport and up to Paw Paw and Cumberland, and so it's just a great ride.
An explanation for the great ride?
We've been working out here to place over 7.7 million pounds of new stone masonry along with salvage material to really restore and rehabilitate a historic section of the 184.5-mile long Chesapeake and Ohio Canal towpath.
Leaders of the state's team on Capitol Hill were on hand with officials from the National Park Service for a ribbon cutting to celebrate the restoration of this portion of the historic C&O Trail.
The C&O is such a valuable asset. We're preserving history, but it's also a recreational and tourism treasure.
$21 million investment. I mean, it is spectacular. It's beautiful. All we want to do is go bass fishing.
And the project has received a sustainability award from the Maryland Historic Trust. Reporting from Williamsport, Maryland, Stephen Cohen, DC News Now.